Week 2 has started and we've made a lot of progress. We have all the field elements built now, and all the groups that were prototyping have come together, and we've decided on a final dual intake design, and we mounted that on our practice robot. We also made the new electronics board, and next week we're hoping to sort of CAD everything and get it all designed.
I'm Maddie. I'm on the software development team. The first week we worked on getting the robot working with just a drivetrain working with an Xbox controller, and then after that we started working on developing vision capability so we can recognize the reflective tape on the cargo ship and the rocket. Right now we're trying to find pairs of lines just to recognize what is a piece of tape and what not.
Hi, my name is Alexander Hacken and I'm a sophomore on the mechanical engineering team. Right now I'm working on prototyping an intake design which can intake hatch panels and walls from the floor and line station. The Cyberdragons are just finishing up all of our prototypes, and soon we're going to decide on a design to use on the robot and start fabricating it out of aluminum.